Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I want to say a big thank you to you, and if you're returning, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, I make videos on hair, makeup as well, DIY, lifestyle and much more. And today's video is going to be a hair tutorial, and I'm going to be doing the two bun at the front and a crochet at the back. And the hair that I'm going to be using today is the Expression Collection crochet braid, and is the style is plus curves, and is 133, 1 and 39. And yeah, I'm going to be using exactly this hair right here. If you can see it, I hope you can see it. So this is the hair I'm going to be using for this tutorial today. I did use this extension before on my previous video, and I really love the colors and the look that I get. It was very easy to manage, and yeah, I'm going to be using this hair today. And also I'm going to try and do a thought through video with you guys, because I want to do a giveaway soon, and I wanted to let you guys know that by when I hit 1 million views, my channel is almost at 1 million views, which I'm really grateful for, and I'm really thankful to you guys for watching my videos and coming back. And for those who are subscribed to my channel, I'm really grateful for subscribing. If you're already a subscriber and you did not press that bell, please push that bell down below so that you get a notification. So let's get right into this video. I don't want to prolong this video by talking too much, and I'm going to just go ahead and start this tutorial. So my hair is washed and is deep conditioned, and I did apply some hair fertilizer and also coconut oil. I'm just going to brush my hair out so that it's easy for me to work with. I'm brushing it out, and I'm using a very big comb because I don't want to damage my hair by pulling it out with little combs. So I'm brushing it out now that I'm done, and I'm going to section my hair from one part of the ear to another. This is going to be my bun at the front. Now that my hair is sectioned from one side of the ear to the other side, I'm going to try and put this in a messy bun just to get it out of the way. That is what I'm going to do right now. So I'm taking a rubber band, just like a little rubber band like this, and I'm just going to put that away just like this. So now that I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and cornrow this towards the back. So this is my cornrow, and I'm going to go ahead and finish the whole head. I will be back right now. And if you want, you can add some extension to it just to make sure that you're able to grip it. My hair is a little bit longer here, and maybe eventually I'm going to start adding extension to it. So now that I am done, as you can see, this is just a simple cornrow back. You can see, just a simple cornrow, and I'm going to crochet this inside my hair. So this is what it should look like. The other way that you can do this is just put in a ponytail like a bun and just crochet it, but that will not last. I have a video of braidless crochet on my channel, but that may not last you for so long if you have short hair. I have short hair, so I wanted to do it like this. That will last me for about 2-3 weeks. And yeah, So you can do that. That would be the second option. That would be the second way that you could do that. So I'm just going to take a turn around for you guys so that you can see how it looks at the back. So as you can see, it's not a perfect cornrow, but I'm just going to work with what I have right now. So I'm going to take a crochet hook, if I can find my crochet hook, right there in front of me. So this is my crochet hook, and I'm going to crochet this right inside. I'm going to crochet this right now. So now that I'm done crocheting that inside, so I'm going to go ahead and crochet the hair on my head. So I'm going to turn around and I'm going to let you guys watch. This color is really beautiful. I really love this color. Look at it. I think this would be my first time trying any color like this. So let's get right into it. So guys, now that I'm finished crocheting my whole hair, so I'm just going to do the front. This is a very pretty color. I really like it. I have a surprise at the end of this video for you guys, so just keep watching. So I'm just going to go and do 2 cornrow downwards so I can put the bead. So I did a cornrow at the side here. As you can see, it's not that long, but just a regular short cornrow just right here, and I'm going to do the second one right here. So guys, I'm so sorry. I completely didn't notice that the video was not recording this part. So what I did was I tried to section the front part into 2 because my hair was so short, it didn't really work out well. So I sectioned it into 5. So I tried to get a triangle shape on the hair, and I put some gel, which is the got to glue gel, and I put that in a little bun. So, and that is what I did over here. So this is done off camera. After I finished gelling all the hair down and put it into a bun, I'm just going to show you guys how I did this one. So you're going to take, so you're going to take one of the hair, you're going to crochet it inside the bun like this. One time is enough. Now that I'm done, as you can see, if you want, you can go ahead and leave it at ease. Just style it a little bit, and voila. Of course, without this one, if you want to, but I'm still going to go with the style that I had in my head. You can go ahead and brush it a little bit and wrap it around, but I wanted to do like a braid. So I'm just going to go ahead and just braid that lightly. So now that I'm done curling it very lightly, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it around just like this. Now that I'm done, what you can do, you can go ahead with a rubber band to secure that in. Now that I'm done with the little front, I'm just going to go ahead and see if I can bring some of my edges out. So guys, this is the finished look of the hair. I'm going to show you guys the back. back soon. So this is the front. I really like the outcome of this hair. It is beautiful. The color is amazing. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and do my makeup and I will be right back.
It's Young John, the wicked producer.
Beauty mama, you know I like you so.
AMDB.co.
Yeah, cherish you. I stand for you. I wouldn't lie to you, but I feel like for you. In the night, get up down for you.
So this is the finished look of this tutorial. I hope you like it. I hope you subscribe and come back next week for another video, or come back in a few days. I may upload a video, I don't know. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.